Hi guys, today I want to give you an open box review for Muzata LED strip light V-shaped channel. And then I'm going to show you how it looks like in my actual home DIY project. Let's put everything on the table and give a very detailed dimension review. You have 6 channels. Each channel has about a 1 meter length, accurate 1 meter length. Here you can see you included 6 aluminum channels. On each side is a 16 millimeter on each side. And on the center, the 45-degree surface is about a 10 millimeter. So which means the LED strip light you're going to use should be under 10 millimeter. And here's a Milky white color diffuser. This is the color is beautiful. It's protection your LED strip light from the dust, from the moisture, very good protection, but also make the light more soft and more beautiful. And here how it looks like on my actual home DIY project. You can see the light shooting 45 degree, not on the upper, not on the horizontal. It's perfect what I need. Overall, it's a very good product, 5 stars.